My video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the ransomware called Quax0r. Quax0r. This is the ransomware that affects Windows files. It attacks pictures, music, Microsoft Office, and other data. You've just clearly seen that before the ransomware attack, I was able to open the files without any complications. But unfortunately, this ransomware may be injected into the system. Then pretty soon after the ransomware attack, customers realize that they cannot use their data anymore because the ransomware encrypts these files and they are no longer accessible. As per now, I just cannot open my files anymore. And then this message comes up mentioning that all files have been encrypted by NominatusCrypto ransomware, also known as Quax0r. The developers of this ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay the ransom for file restoration, but paying the ransom does not guarantee that the files would be restored. I strongly advise that you remove this ransomware immediately with the help of the program called Combo Cleaner. You may download it on the official website combocleaner.com through any of the browsers that are available. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program should first of all update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware or ransomware. While the scanning is taking place, please pay careful attention to the anti-ransomware feature in Combo Cleaner. This particular feature, called anti-ransomware, allows you to add one or several folders on the system, and the contents of these folders will always be protected against ransomware attacks. But this feature is the part of the premium license only. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats which were found on your computer. We strongly advise that you upgrade to premium. This is the best solution to keep your files always protected and your entire computer always free of any other threats.